I'm a Minneapolis locksmith. They call me Fast Eddie. Name of my company is Eddys Keys Express. I've been in business since 1985. That's over 27 years. I started off doing residential, a little bit, mostly car open-ups, house open-ups, lockout service. The Minneapolis Star and Tribune got a hold of me and wrote a whole full-page article about me called Fast Eddie to the Rescue. Some of you might remember it still. But over the years, I've developed my skills as a commercial residential locksmith and doing very well at it. I do master key systems, rekeying locks, changing locks, lock installation, deadbolts, knob locks, repairs, mortise locks, lever locks, door closers. I also work on safes. So if you're looking for a good locksmith that has some real experience, give me a holler. My phone number is 612-822-3773. My email is locksmithminneapolisarea@gmail.com. My webpage is www.locksmithminneapolisarea.com. And thank you for your time. Thanks.